Hi guys, it's Julie from the Dang It Fram here, back today with another video for you. Sorry that I have been away for a bit. I think the last time I posted was probably about 3 months ago now, I think. Yeah, things have been just a little bit hectic and busy with life and all, so I apologize for being away for a little bit, but I am back today with a video for you. So for my existing subscribers, welcome back and thank you for hanging in there with me. And for any new subscribers, thanks for subscribing and welcome. And I hope that you all find something new and interesting and informative today from the video. So let's just go ahead and get started. Like I said, this is a purchase. I'm back with to share with you a purchase that I made from the Kate Spade store, online store. I actually ordered it online and it came today. It was pretty quick. I don't know if you all use ShopRunner, but I use ShopRunner and have had really great experiences with them. They offer free 2-day shipping, and it's like a free service that you can join. It really doesn't cost anything. And for certain sites that do participate with ShopRunner, you can get your items shipped to you within 2 days. So anyway, I used ShopRunner. This was purchased off of katespade.com. And what I got is called the Kate Spade All Day Large Tote. And the color that I got is called Parchment / Bartlett Pear. That's what it is online. And so let's get right into it. So this is how it came. See if I can back that up. Yeah, this is how it came packaged. I just took it right out of the box. I haven't done anything else with it. So let's see. Try to get it out of the plastic bag here. Okay. And gosh, they have it wrapped. Okay, yeah, here at the bottom. It's just taped, I guess. And here it is. Let's see. What is this? Looks like some kind of stuffing. Whoops. Not having a good experience unwrapping this, am I? Okay. So this is the color. It's like probably the lighting in here isn't doing it justice, but it's a really beautiful, it's called Parchment. So it's kind of like a very light cream off-white color. It's just a perfect cream off-white. It's really, really beautiful. There's, I think it's like a very light gold. Kate Spade, I don't know if you can see that. Kate Spade emblem, not emblem. What do you call these things? Yeah, I guess just her logo there. And there's no other like hardware. It's just leather. This is like a cross grain leather, it says online. I'm sure my lighting isn't really great in this room, but hopefully you can see, yeah, up close. That's like, it's a cross grain leather. And so here's what the front looks like. I'm so sorry about the lighting, guys. Here's one of the sides. Here's what the back looks like. And then the other side. And then the bottom looks like this. And it has no feet. It's just all leather all the way around. And actually, I'll see if I can show you this. Yeah. I don't know if you can read that. I'll try to get it as close as I can. Hopefully it'll focus. But it should say the All Day Large Tote in Parchment. And it says, like I said online, it says Parchment / Bartlett Pear. And I think the reason it says that is because when I open it, you'll see inside it's like a pear green color. So I think that's why they have it tagged as that as well online for the color. So let's just get some of this off. I can tell you right now, this leather is super smooth and soft, and it feels really, really nice. Let's get some of the stuffing out. Okay, here. So it comes with this little like pouch. It kind of reminds me of like the Neverfull, but the pouch is much smaller than the Neverfull. And so there is the color of the interior. So the pouch is the same color as the interior, and as you can see, it's like a pear green, and so it's called Bartlett Pear. Bartlett. Yeah, Bartlett Pear, I think is what it's called online. So it comes with this pouch that is detachable. So if I can get this off. Yeah. And so it's attached with this clip here to the D-ring that's on the inside here. And so you can just clip it on or take it off or leave it on. And so let's open this so you can see what this looks like. So there's the stuffing. Sorry for the noise. You can probably hear I'm right over the garage in this room, so somebody keeps opening and closing the garage. So sorry for the background noise, but this is what it looks like inside the pouch. It's smooth on this side, and then it's gusseted on this side. So you have a little bit of give and a little bit of room there. So that's what that looks like. So that's the pouch that comes with it. Let's see if I can open. Sorry, let's see if I can open. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. So it comes with it's like a silky Kate Spade dust bag. Let's see how big this is. Hopefully it'll fit. Yeah, no, it's huge. It's pretty big. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's great. And it's really silky smooth. So, oh, I love that. So it comes with the dust bag. So that's that. I'll put this up here. Okay. And then here's what it kind of looks like inside. As I remove the stuffing, I'll just show you. I have a lot of stuffing in here, which is great, I guess. Okay, I think that's the last of the stuffing. And then there's these like moisture packs or whatever. And so that's what it looks like inside. See? So it's this pear green interior. It's a tote bag, just one big open tote, like one big open pit. It doesn't have any pockets, no zippered pockets or anything like that. So it just comes with this pouch, right? And so there's no pockets on this side, no pockets on this side. You do have a little ring here where you can clip it. I just took that off. There's the clip to it. And it's kind of like the Neverfull, but probably a little easier to clip than the Neverfull. But how you can secure it a little bit by just clipping it like that. And that keeps it a little bit more, together and a little bit more secure, where it just makes it, I guess, a little bit harder for somebody to try to reach in and grab your things as compared to, what it might look like when it's just a big open hole like this, and it's just easier to get in. So yeah, I think that's it. I mean, it's pretty basic tote, pretty basic open tote. Let's see if I can take the handles. Let's unwrap the handles so you can see what that looks like. Yep, and the handles are just the same leather color, and they're really, really smooth and soft and pliable and flexible. They don't look like they're gonna hurt on my shoulder at all. They're really soft and smooth. And I just love, I don't know if you can hear the leather. I just love that. And just the way that it feels and the way that it sort of sits, and I just love it. So yeah, I feel like this is a really cute, light colored, neutral color for spring and summer. So that's why I got it. It probably is going to be, I don't want want to say high maintenance, but just because of the color, you know, I'll want to be a little bit careful just to make sure that, you know, it doesn't get super dirty, or, you know, there's no like major color transfer if I'm wearing like dark blue jeans or something like that. So I know I'll probably be a little bit more careful and conscious of what I'm wearing, what I'm doing, but I think it's a beautiful color. So yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. It was just a quick unboxing of the new tote that I got, again, from Kate Spade. This is from the katespade.com site, not the outlet site. I think Kate Spade has an outlet site. I think, I forget what it's called. I think it's called like surprise.katespade.com or something like that. I think it's called Kate Spade Surprise. And that's like their outlet site. So, you know, like sometimes like Coach has the normal like retailcoach.com site, and then they have the Coach outlet site. The surprise site is Kate Spade's outlet. This is not from there. This is from the katespade.com retail site. And so if you wanted that, just go right now. This is available. Like I said, I just ordered it 2 days ago. So it's available. It retails for, I forgot to tell you that, didn't I? You probably saw it earlier. It retails for $248. Can you see that? 248 US dollars. But I had gotten a coupon for 25% off. So I got it on sale. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me see if I could quickly, show you what it looks like kind of on my shoulder. Yeah. So you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Standing a little awkward because there's no space, but just so that you can get an idea of what it might look like. Sorry for the shadows, and the lighting in here is just not that great, but yeah. Anyway, just wanted to hop on and share real quickly what I got. I'll probably try to use it and then hop back on and maybe do a review. And actually, you know what? Since I just saw this, I just realized I have my organizer that's filled here with stuff. So it has all, well, I'll just show you real quick. It has all my stuff in there already. I packed in there. So I might just to see how it looks and how it fits in my new tote, I'll just plop it in and see what it looks like, so you can get a sense. Let's see, I'm gonna take this and just let that hang out real quick. I don't even know, I haven't tried this, so I don't know if it'll even fit. I'm hoping that it will. Looks like it will, but I don't know. A little bit tight. There you go. It went right in really nicely. So that's how it looks with my bag organizer in there. See? And whoops, and then I can have this sort of sitting in the back here if I wanted to. The pouch just sitting in the back here. Yeah. So, like I said, I'll start using it and then come up here and maybe just, you know, do a quick review, let you know how I like it. And, you know, if you have any questions or there's something that I didn't address or have any questions about this, feel free to, you know, leave a comment or send me an email, leave all that information, as well as information to where to get this tote in the description box below. Alrighty, this was a quick video, but I thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and I will see you all in a future video. Thanks so much. Bye, y'all.